4 days of Maximoworld 2023 in the super hot Phoenix, Arizona at 110 degrees Fahrenheit outside comes to an end. What have I learned in these 4 days? Efficient enterprise asset management is more important than ever. With the help of digital technologies, it can provide more and more value. Also, going through a digitalization journey is not a yes or no question. The answer is a yes in any case, as I see it as a solution for many ongoing problems and dilemmas we have in parts of our industry, like very outdated paper-related processes, all types of operation run on a gazillion of Excel sheets, outdated systems with clunky data entering and limited interfaces to other systems, labor shortage, specifically in the maintenance service and reliability world, and then, last but not least, the skills gap. As systems and assets get more complex, but the skill and the know-how of the people can't catch up. What are the solutions? From my point of view, the old framework of people, process, and technology still holds on, but a fourth category needs to be added: data. Specifically, AR, VR, IoT, and AI technologies and the related digitalization tools can be a game changer to the industry to solve the issues like connected workforce with AR and mobile devices. Get the information you need at the location you are through a device. Then capture with this device current asset status and update asset information immediately. Access to the virtual representation of an asset and the linking of technical information and documents to it. We at Digitalitum, we offer solutions from our technology partners like the AR troubleshooting app Ocular with Share and the AR visualization tool for complex 3D data Visao. Analyze, getting insights from data. Until recently, it was very cumbersome to get insights from data other than you have a rocket scientist as a coworker. With the help of readily available AI tools, the data analytics part got way easier. Virtual reality. Virtual reality can visualize complex 3D data independent of a location in a three-dimensional environment. Many tools are in the market to help in certain use cases. In our Digitalitum portfolio, we have HaloCline to plan a manufacturing shop floor and test its performance before it gets built. With the VR tools from IDAR, technical training on complex asset and machinery can be done in a virtual reality. Connectivity, IoT. When machine performance, process data and other is collected from an asset or machine, the performance can be reviewed and unplanned downtime can be reduced through predictive maintenance. Visualization of machine and process data right at the shop floor. At Digitalitum, we offer here Peakboard as a solution. This lets operators and line managers make database decisions versus gut feeling decisions right on the shop floor. Asset management. Proper asset management is essential from a plant or a machine builder perspective. You can't do it with Excel sheets anymore. Plants are using enterprise asset management systems like the leading IBM Maximo. At Digitalitum, we offer a new tool from Transaction Networks, an asset management digital services tool for machine builders and system integrators to better serve their clients by having all asset-related informations in one spot and not in different systems like your ERP, your PDM, your CRM, and all others. Optimize asset-related spare part sales with customized online spare part shop per machine type. Add optional connectivity and monitor the performance of your assets to gain insights. Question to you: did I miss anything? And where are you on your digitalization journey? If you need any help, reach out to us. We're happy to help and get you to the next step in your digitalization journey. Thank you.